What if I told you that you can create magical stories like this, all in just one app? Yes, you heard that right. Just one prompt in just one app. I recently discovered an incredible AI tool that is much more than a typical AI video generator. It works like a complete animation studio. It can write your script, create consistent characters, develop the storyline, generate the scenes, and turn everything into a complete animated video from beginning to end. And the most exciting part, you don't have to generate every scene individually. The AI handles the entire process for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this AI tool to create professional quality animated stories. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so even beginners can easily follow along. But before we begin, let me show you a short preview of the animated story I created using only one prompt.
She climbed branch by branch, her small wings working hard. Gently, Fern cupped little Spark free, and its trembling stopped. Fern glided to—
Amazing, right? Those were only a few short scenes from the complete 3D animated story I generated. As you can see, the characters remain consistent throughout the video, the story transitions smoothly between scenes, and the animation quality is truly impressive. Let's jump into the tutorial and create your own animated story.
Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends.
Now, let's start creating our 3D animated kid story. What makes this tool so impressive is that it can generate an entire video from just one short prompt. It can even create a complete 3D animated story up to 15 minutes long. Instead of writing every scene, generating each visual, and editing everything one by one, the AI handles most of the work for you. This allows you to bring your story to life much faster while saving a huge amount of time and effort. This amazing AI tool is called AI Story Lab. AIStoryLab.io is an AI-powered video generator designed to create fully animated videos and kids' stories from simple text prompts. This makes it a useful tool for YouTube creators, storytellers, educators, and beginners who want to produce animated content without needing advanced animation or video editing skills. With AI Story Lab, you can focus more on your creative ideas while the platform handles much of the time-consuming production process. In just a few simple steps, you can transform your imagination into an engaging animated video. To start creating with AI Story Lab, visit the official website and sign into your account. I've included the direct link in the video description below so you can easily follow along. Step 1. Create your story. To begin creating your story in AI Story Lab, click Create Video. This will take you to the Kid Story Generator. From here, all you need to do is enter a simple prompt describing the story you want to create. To create an effective kid story prompt, make sure to include all the important details and storytelling guidelines. Choose a simple theme that children can easily understand. Create friendly characters with clear personalities. Give the characters one main problem or adventure. Use simple words, short scenes, and positive lessons. End the story with a happy and meaningful conclusion. I already prepared my story prompt in advance, so I'll just paste it here. My story is about a princess who visits a magical lake at night and sees stars falling from the sky and swimming in the lake. One little star gets stuck in a tree, and she helps it get free. Next, choose the image generation style you want to use. AI Story Lab offers several options, including Pixar style, cartoon, cinematic, watercolor, hand-drawn, and soft cartoon. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Pixar style option because it creates colorful and eye-catching 3D animated visuals. After that, select the narration language for your story. Make sure to choose a language that matches your target audience. I'll select English because it is widely used around the world and can help my story reach a global audience. Next, choose your preferred voiceover. There are several voices available, and you can preview each one to hear how it sounds.
Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom surrounded by a vast valley.
That sounds so frustrating. I can't believe The little star climbed down from the sky just to ask.
You were looking for a teenage.
If you get super duper scared to read out loud in class and feel
Dark clouds drifted rapidly across the sky.
Once you find the voice that best fits your story, simply click it to select it. Finally, set the duration of your story. As you can see, AI Story Lab allows you to generate kids' stories up to 15 minutes long. For this tutorial, I'll set the duration to just 1 minute so we can generate the video quickly and keep the tutorial moving. Now, wait for the AI story generator to finish processing your prompt. Once it's done, you'll be taken to the script section. Here, you'll see the complete script created from your story idea. Take a moment to review it and make sure the storyline matches what you want. Once you're happy with the script, click Continue to Cast. Step 2. Generating characters. In the Cast section, AI Story Lab will automatically show you how many characters are needed for your story. You can choose from the available characters in the library. However, if you can't find a character that matches your story, you can generate your own. The tool already provides the suggested character details and specifications, so all you need to do is review them and click Generate. And there we go! Our complete set of characters is now ready for the story. Next, click Continue to Storyboard to move on to the next step. Step 3. Animating image scenes. Scene images will automatically generated. Our AI-generated images are now ready. Preview each one carefully and check for any errors or inconsistencies before moving on. Now, it's time to bring our images to life. You have 2 options for animating your storyboard. You can animate each image individually or animate all the images at once. To animate them one by one, select the image you want to animate, then click Animate this shot. Wait for the tool to turn the image into a video clip. To animate all the images at once, simply click Animate All Shots, then select OK to confirm. AI Story Lab will begin generating animations for every scene automatically. Once the video generation is complete, preview each clip carefully. After animating all of your images, click Next to continue. First, choose the image you want to use as your video thumbnail. Then, select a subtitle style that matches the look of your story. Next, choose your background music. You can preview the available tracks to hear how they sound, then click the one that best fits the mood of your video. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video and wait for AI Story Lab to render your final story. And there we go! Our animated story video is complete. AI Story Lab also provides a ready-made thumbnail, 3 title suggestions, tags or keywords, chapters, and a complete video description. All you need to do is download your video and copy the provided details. Your content is now ready for your kids' story channel. As you can see, the entire process is very simple. You only need to log into AI Story Lab, enter a short story prompt, customize a few options, and let the AI turn your idea into a complete animated video. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy our final 3D animated story.
Night falls softly over the enchanted starlight lake. One by one, stars gently loosen from the sky above. Stars drift downward, each one trailing a warm golden ribbon. Each star kisses the water and bursts into a shower of sparkles. From each burst, a glowing starfish swirls gracefully into life. Fern laughs with pure delight as the starfish play all around her. But one small star was stuck, trembling high above the lake. Fern took a brave breath and flew toward the towering tree. She climbed branch by branch, her small wings working hard. Gently, Fern cupped little Spark free, and its trembling stopped. Fern glided to the water's edge and lowered Little Spark in. Little Spark rose as the brightest starfish the lake had ever seen, and Fern smiled, knowing kindness had made the magic shine brighter.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.